Welcome to our guide on effectively managing backups for your website. Let's dive into the steps for creating, restoring, and optimizing backups seamlessly. Start by logging into the admin area of your website. Click on Settings, then Tools, and finally, select the Database Backup tab. On this page, you'll find options to create and restore backups using intuitive buttons. When working with a new backup, add relevant comments for easy identification. Choose whether to include all tables in the backup with the All Tables option. Optimize storage with compression options. Choose between no compression, GZIP, or ZIP. Enhance security by utilizing the download-only option, especially recommended through a secure HTTPS connection. Ensure both website files and the database are included in the backup for comprehensive coverage. Easily restore and delete backups by selecting the desired backup and using the corresponding buttons. Safeguard your digital assets with a robust backup strategy, empowering you to navigate any unforeseen challenges effortlessly.